Hey guys, welcome back to Development Division, and welcome back to a brand new video. Please excuse the thunder in the background. The walls here are quite thin. Today I have a project for the Jeep. I have a new product for it. It's actually this right here. It's a door check system. And this right here is just a prototype, but it looks quite good. Everything looks quite tidy. And today we're going to find out how it all works and how it all operates. There's not much here, just these two main pieces and these screws and some instructions. I'm probably going to need these. So let's go ahead and get to it. For this install, you're going to need a 5mm Allen key, a T30 Torx bit. I just have mine attached to a 1/4 drive screwdriver, and a 10mm socket. I have mine on my 3/8 ratchet. I'm going to start with my 10mm and take out these two door loop bolts. And we're going to reuse these same bolts to go through this piece right here. And then feed it through the door strap loop. Screw that in. So the next step is actually removing the door strap loop on the door side. I'm using a T30. We're going to discard these two screws. They supplied us with some new hardware, so we're going to go ahead and install it. Get our door strap loop, feed it through, and go ahead and screw this back into the Jeep. And using a 5mm Allen key, you go ahead and tighten up these screws. Now that you have both pieces installed, we want to go ahead and take off the door strap. And with one hand pointing this into the slot right here, the other hand is going to be closing the door slowly. So we're going to go ahead and point this in there, feed it in, and start to slowly close the door while feeding that in. And there you go. I'm going to go ahead and put back on my door strap, and it seems like we're ready to rock. It's been a couple days since I've been using it, and I kind of like it. It's pretty awesome. So you open the door, first click right there, wind can't blow that over. Second stop, and third stop, it's right here. Alright, so the next thing I need to put on the Firebird is actually the EGR system. Unfortunately, this nut and screw are seized, so I'm just going to go ahead and angle grind that off. So I think I actually have hooked everything up correctly, and it should start. So I'm going to go ahead and hook up the battery now, and we're going to try it out. See if it'll start. So I'm just going to do a quick light check and electronics check on this thing. Seems like we got headlights. Nice. This front end looks absolutely menacing, honestly. I love how the Firebirds look in the front. Fog light on the right side works. Left side doesn't work. Let's take a look at the brake lights back here. Seems like they're working. Brake lights are working pretty good. Okay. Let's go ahead and see if shooting will start. That's ridiculously loud.